Hey, you guys, it's Double Moms, and today's episode we're going to take a look at Altamira Therapeutics Inc., ticker symbol CYTO, a medical study, patent application, and microfloat stock play. But before we begin, if you haven't already subscribed, folks, hit that subscribe button and set notifications on so you don't miss any episodes, and like and share. Also, let me begin by saying we are not financial or stock advisors, and we are not giving stock or financial advice. This episode is for entertainment purposes only. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Hey, always do your own due diligence. Now, if you want access to our private Discord so you can get our pre-market picks early, the link is in the description. We pick a lot of bangers a lot of times. We called out BIVI pre-market on Friday, March the 1st, 2024, and it ran up 233%. MTC was called out in our private Discord pre-market on March the 1st before it ran up 176%. BBLG was called in our private Discord during pre-market Friday, March the 1st before it ran up 166%. NXU was on our early watch list on Thursday, February 29th, and we called it pre-market on March the 1st before it ran up 129%. We also put out a video review on that stock on February 29th as well. And finally, we called out ADIL pre-market on March the 1st before it ran up 101%. We are just made different. This is what we do. And the early bird gets the cash. By the way, we've also included a link to our membership website program, which also includes all of our incredible stock picks and over 380 episodes of material on how we find and trade stocks, how we read candlestick patterns, how we read key levels, how we use those critical indicators, and much, much more. Of course, there are no guarantees that you'll succeed in trading stocks if you join our membership site or not, but we share with you how we trade and what's been working for us. So let's get right into it with Altamira Therapeutics Ltd. Actually, it's limited. Ticker symbol CYTO, which is located in Hamilton, Bermuda. It is a publicly traded NASDAQ biotechnology company with a $3.83 million market cap and 16 employees. Altamira Therapeutics Ltd. is a clinical and commercial stage biopharmaceutical company which develops therapeutics that address various unmet needs, medical needs in Switzerland, the United States, Europe, and Australia. It's a company that works with tiny particles to deliver genetic material to parts of the body outside the liver. Its commercial products include Bentrio, which is a drug-free nasal spray for personal protection against airborne viruses and allergens. It's also developing a treatment of KRAS-driven cancer, and it's working on other treatments for rheumatoid arthritis and also in clinical trials for treatments of vertigo, acute inner ear tinnitus, as well as acute inner ear hearing loss. CYTO was established in 2003. Now let's take a look at CYTO's most recent news. On January 24th, 2024, Altamira announced that it has filed a second provisional patent application with the United States Patent and Trade Office to provide broad coverage of different KRAS mutations in human cancer treatment with nanoparticles comprising the company's oligophore platform and single siRNA sequence, polycrasmate. And more recently, on February 7th, 2024, Altamira announced that it has a scientific article out it's supported that has been published in a respected medical journal that explores how different substances can help a virus called adeno-associated virus, or AAV, enter cells more effectively. But another more important fact, a very important fact here to note about this stock, is that the float on the stock is just 344,000 shares. 344,000, making this a microfloat stock. Now, the price action on CYTO's stock was pushed upward 26% on Friday, March the 1st, and the price could potentially keep moving upward next week if more volume or a news catalyst comes in. A continuation in price increase is possible. We will be keeping an eye on it. As we said before, guys, if you want access to our private Discord so you can get our pre-market picks early, the link is in the description. We pick a lot of bangers a lot of times. We are just made different, and the early bird gets the cash. And by the way, we also included a link to that membership website program, which also includes all of our incredible stock picks and over 380 episodes of material on how we find and trade stocks, how we determine our entry and our exit points on trades, how to read candlestick patterns, how to read key levels, how to use those critical indicators, and much, much more. Of course, there are no guarantees that you'll succeed in trading stocks if you join a membership site or not, but we share with you how we trade and what works for us. In conclusion, Altamira Therapeutics Ltd, ticker symbol CYTO, is a publicly traded NASDAQ biotechnology company which has applied for a second patent, had a study on its platform published in a medical journal recently, and is a microfloat stock. CYTO is a company we will be watching. With the right increase in volume, we believe it could be conducive for momentum parabolic day trade. Now, will CYTO run parabolic? It will need more volume. But who knows for sure? We would need to see continued volume before we actually day trade this stock. This is not advice. We are not pros, folks. It's just my opinion. And I will have CYTO on my watch list. It's Double Moms. I'll see all of you guys again on the flip side.